That's what happened. It shorted out the hot and the neutral.
And it's lost its contact. Yeah. So that is the running temperature of that is greater than the melting point of the soda.
Yeah. I think this thing's toast.
Yeah. Okay.
Really? Why can't you just remove the soda?
Well, why would that solve it? What caused that in the first place? Look at the burn on the base. Like it really toasted.